people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to show you guys the Tomo Credit Card. So with the Tomo Credit Card, this is a credit card where you can get approved without them actually checking your credit history, and they're not going to charge you any interest or fees at all. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can see that they can approve you all the way from $100 to $10,000. So I actually got approved for this credit card, and they finally reported to the credit bureau. So it's literally March. I got approved for this in November. So for those people that's looking to build credit, I guess they finally got everything together so that they're reporting to the credit bureaus. So I suggest that people go ahead and sign up for this credit card. Now, think about it like this. When you get this credit card, if you were to spend, say if you were to spend $200, that $200 is going to be due in a month. So every week, they're going to take money off of your debit card or out of your account to pay back that at least a quarter of what you spent. So if it's $200, they're going to take $50 every week until the $200 is paid. So don't go and get approved for this credit card and then just say you got approved for $1,000 and you spend that $1,000 thinking that, okay, I'm just going to have to pay like a minimum of, $25 a month. No. They're going to take out $25 per week until it's paid off. And remember, they're going to report to the credit bureau. So I don't want you guys to actually spend too much on this credit card. I want you to use this credit card to build your credit. Now, this is the difference with this credit card. So they're not going to check your credit at all, right? They're not going to check your credit at all. But what they're going to do is they're going to check your bank account. So they're going to log into your bank account. They're going to use I believe it's called the Plaid. They're going to use that platform. I use it already to sign up for this account, but they're going to check your bank account. They're going to see how much money you have coming into your bank account. And they're going to see like the different type of transactions you have and see if you have any late payments. Then based off of that information, then they're going to approve you for a certain dollar amount. So when I first signed up, there was a waiting list. So I'm pretty sure that they probably still have a waiting list, but maybe it's not so backdated. So if you want to sign up, all you have to do is go ahead and put your email address in. So let's go ahead and create an email address. And let's just put something in. See if I'm pre-approved. Now, again, I signed up for this back in September. After I signed up for it back in September, it took them all the way into November to actually approve me. So they said, how old are you? Let's say I'm 35. Do you have a social security number? Yes. Are you a student? No. Let's do it. They're asking, what is your total monthly income? So let's say it's $7,000 a month. How much do I have in my bank accounts? Let's say I have $4,000 in my bank account. Submit application. After you click submit application, they're going to tell you how much you're pre-approved for. Now, they told me I was pre-approved for $5,000, but I actually didn't get $5,000, so don't take this too seriously. Now, you can put your phone number in and click finish, and after you click finish, they're going to be able to text you when you can do your application, when your application is ready. Now, all you got to do is go ahead and put your phone number in, click finish, but I'm going to click skip. Now, what they're going to do is they're going to email you and letting you know, hey, we got your application. Well, we got your request for your application. When it's time to complete your application, then we'll text you, we'll email you back. And they're going to tell you, hey, start referring others. But all you have to do is sign up for this, you guys. Wait a little while. They're going to send you that text message. After they send that text message, complete the application. As soon as you complete the application, then they're going to give you access to your online account. With your online account, you can see how much you're approved for, and you'll be able to see the back end. Check out my other video. I'm going to have it here so you guys can actually check it out. But check out my other video that I have where you can see the back end of my portal. I show you guys my complete portal. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.